All right, y'all, let's talk about the aliens. Okay, this isn't going to be like the most in-depth video about this, but I just wanted to highlight a couple things from the abstract of the actual paper. First, this planet is called a candidate Haitian world. Candidate. So they're not even sure that this is a Haitian world because K2-18b, while it is in the habitable zone, it's bigger than Earth, and so it's not even clear if it is a planet that could possibly be habitable. But these authors think that it could be this kind of world which might be habitable. And in a previous study, they had shown that it was consistent with being a Haitian world. But again, it's still a candidate. This isn't even for sure that this is a type of planet that could even be conceivably habitable. Now, that same study that was consistent with it being a Haitian world also found really, really tentative hints of this potential biosignature gas. And as they say, it was at low statistical significance. So this new study is using different data in a different wavelength range from JWST to continue to look for more signs of this gas. And they say that their new observations find some evidence for that at about 3 sigma significance. So what does that mean? So sigma is the standard deviation basically of the results, and there's no like set standard for how many sigma something has to be in order to be kind of accepted. Particle physics kind of famously uses this 5 sigma standard for something to be accepted. You may have heard of 6 sigma if you're in the business world, and that's kind of even more strenuous. So there's no like set threshold. 3 sigma is pretty good. It's better than what they had before, but it's definitely not like slam dunk case by any means. And again, these molecules are just potential biosignatures. So even if they definitely are there, it doesn't mean that there's definitely life there. It's just a possibility. And indeed, the way they finish this off, it says, more observations are needed to increase the robustness of the findings and resolve the degeneracy between the 2 different kinds of molecules. The results also highlight the need for additional experimental and theoretical work to determine accurate cross-sections of important biosignature gases and identify potential abiotic sources. So that is other ways that you could get these molecules that aren't from life. So is this an exciting result? Yeah, I think so. I think this is really cool. But is this, we have found aliens? No.